Hello children, welcome to Mickey Mini Learning Hub. In today's topic, we are all going to learn about first aid kit. Do you all know what is first aid kit? Let's learn about it today. Are you all ready? When a person is hurt, he or she needs immediate help. The first help provided to an injured person is called first aid. The box containing all materials for providing first aid is known as first aid box. A first aid box normally contains cotton, antiseptic cream, antiseptic cleaning wipes, Band-Aid, scissors, thermometer, and few common medicines for cough, cold, fever, and pain. Let's see the things in the first aid box one by one. This one is surgical gloves. Please make sure you wear a surgical gloves when providing first aid to somebody. This is a surgical gloves. The next one is a Band-Aid. Band-Aid is usually used for small cuts and wound. When you happen to have a small cut or wound, please make sure you use a Band-Aid. The Gauze Cloth. Gauze cloth is used for large cuts and wounds. It also prevents from heavy blood loss. This is called Gauze Cloth. This is a thermometer. Thermometer is used to check the normal body temperature. This is called thermometer. The next one is antiseptic cleaning wipes. Please make sure you use antiseptic cleaning wipes before and after doing first aid. This is called antiseptic cleaning wipes. The next one is a cotton ball. Cotton ball is used to clean the cuts and wounds. It also prevents blood loss. This is called cotton balls. The next one is a elastic bandage. Elastic bandage is a stretchable cloth that you can wrap around the sprain or strain. It helps to reduce swelling and help the injured area feel better. The next one is a antiseptic solution. Antiseptic solution is used to clean the cuts and wounds and help prevent from infection. This is called antiseptic solution. The next one is a surgical mask. Please make sure you wear a mask when you have heavy cold or cough. This is called surgical mask. One is a scissors and cutting tools. These are used when a foreign object enters our skin. It can be removed using scissors or cutting tools. The next one is medicines. Medicines are very important things in a first aid kit. It should have common medicines for fever, cough, cold, headache, and pain. The next one is hand sanitizer. Hand sanitizer kills germs. Please make sure you use hand sanitizer after doing a first aid. This is and sanitizer. This ice solution. Ice solution is used to clean the eyes when accidentally something falls into your eyes. Please make sure you use ice solution to clean your eyes. The next one is disposable bag. Disposable bags are used for disposing used cotton waste and medical waste. Please make sure you use appropriate disposable bags. The next one is cleaning buds. Cleaning buds are used for cleaning minor cuts and wounds. It can be also used to apply antibiotic ointments for cuts and wounds. One is antibiotic ointment. Antibiotic ointments are applied for cuts and wounds. Please make sure the first aid kit has antibiotic ointment in it. It is very important. Children, let's revise the things in the first aid box once again. Can you all repeat with me? Medicine, sanitizer, mask, band-aid, gloves, cotton ball, ointment, elastic bandage, thermometer, antiseptic solution, cleaning buds, gauze cloth, eye wash solution, antiseptic cleaning wipes, scissors and disposable bag. Okay children, thank you so much for watching. See you in the next video. Bye. Please don't forget to subscribe this channel and like this video. Thank you.